Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress Maintenance team here at Valet. At the time that WordPress passed 40% of market share of the top 10 million sites, according to the Alexa rank, the popular CMS might have fewer major releases this year. WordPress contributors are considering scaling back the number of releases in 2021. Update fatigue, risk of contributor burnout are a couple of points included in the discussion. One of the articles that stood out last week was a comparison between sending services that integrates very well with WordPress by Delicious Brains. If you're sending emails from your site, you should read the post to learn more about Amazon SES, Mailgun, and SendGrid. We recommend using a third-party SMTP service to improve deliverability of your emails. Let us know which one you use in the comment box. That's it for this week. Have a good one.